Many SimpliSafe users experience common app issues, including crashes, login failures, and connectivity problems. These issues can be frustrating, but most have straightforward solutions. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. SimpliSafe requires at least 2 megabits per second upload speed for each camera to function properly. The first troubleshooting step is to clear the app cache. Go to your phone's settings, find the SimpliSafe app, and clear its cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing issues. Next, force stop the SimpliSafe app completely and then restart it. This refreshes the app's connection and can resolve many temporary glitches. Make sure you're running the latest version of the SimpliSafe app. Check your device's app store for available updates, as newer versions often fix known bugs and improve performance. If problems persist, try uninstalling and reinstalling the SimpliSafe app completely. This gives you a fresh start and can resolve deeper software conflicts. For login errors, verify that cookies are enabled in your browser settings. Additionally, if you're using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily, as it can interfere with the SimpliSafe app's connection. These troubleshooting steps resolve most common SimpliSafe app issues. Start with the basics, like checking your internet connection and clearing the cache. Then progress to more comprehensive solutions if needed. When basic troubleshooting fails, the issue often lies with your SimpliSafe base station or Wi-Fi connection. Let's start with rebooting your base station using the proper sequence. Proper base station placement is crucial for optimal performance. The base station should be positioned in an open area, away from other electronics that could cause interference. SimpliSafe systems are specifically designed to work with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. Make sure your system is connected to the correct network frequency for optimal performance. If your cameras keep disconnecting, check their power and internet connections first. Ensure cameras aren't too far from your router, and consider using a Wi-Fi extender to improve signal strength in distant areas. For sensor or keypad problems, check the distance to your base station and replace batteries if needed. These devices have limited range and require fresh batteries to function properly. If these advanced troubleshooting steps don't resolve your issue, contact SimpliSafe customer support. Be prepared for potentially long wait times, as some users have reported extended hold periods.